Oh yo, I'm gonna be installing this carbon fiber spoiler on my Q50. I just finished cleaning the car, so I just need to use some solution prep, some 3M solution prep, and some adhesion promoter. Get this whole surface here prepped and ready for the adhesion, and we'll be good to go. And I also got some painter's tape to help me keep it in position while I start to put it on there. See, it's nice and shiny. So I just finished applying the 3M solution prep. Next up, I'm going to use the adhesion promoter, and this is just really going to help it get that really good stick. So use the 3M adhesion promoter. I've already done the fitment test, so next I'll probably peel off these edges and then put it on the trunk, and then I'll probably put it down with painter's tape to get the perfect fitment, and then we'll start peeling. So here we are now with the painter's tape. Fitment so far looks pretty good. Still have to do some adjustments, but for the most part it's pretty low. Like, yeah, I'll just fix that a little bit, but for the most part I'm pretty happy with the fitment. So I'm just gonna make my final adjustments, and then we'll get rid of this tape and start peeling off the backing. So this is the final product. I did have some fitment issues, as you can see here as well. The fitment's not the best. Across. That's still pretty good. Any other issues? Don't mind this. This is just from the adhesion, but I had a piece of 3M backing I wasn't able to get out. So otherwise, there's like it's still pretty sturdy, but I would have liked to have gotten all of the 3M backing out. See if I'll be able to get that out later, maybe. But I'm just gonna touch up all the adhesion I have left here, but up here as well. I thought the spoiler was gonna reach further, but it didn't. So I have a lot of excess adhesion promoter. There wasn't as much 3M tape I thought there would be on the back, so that might be another thing to be careful for. But like I said, it's still on there, and like it got there pretty well. I'll probably leave it in the sun a bit to help with the promotion, but we'll see. So far so good, man.